Weighted alpha is used to calculate how much a share has gone up or down over a certain period, normally a year. In general, more thrust is placed on most recent actions by assigning higher weights to it than those assigned to past movements. This assists to give a return figure that has a stronger focus on the most current period and is thus a better measure for short-term analysis. This technique is highly famous among technical analysts. If the stock is up, it will have a positively weighted alpha. If the stock price is unchanged, its weighted alpha will be smaller. A stock price loss will yield a negatively weighted alpha. The Boeing Company, New York Stock Exchange BA, technical metrics. Support is likely to come between $264.7 a share to $263.83 a share level. However, if the BA shares go below $263.83, then it would indicate a much weaker market for the company. In that case, its shares would mark a 0.66% decline from the most recent price. The typical day in the last 2 weeks has seen about a 1.36% volatility. The average volume for the Boeing Company, New York Stock Exchange BA, has been 3.38 million shares per day over the past 30 days. BA has a 1-week performance of 2.74%. BA price is down nearly -0.64% from its 52-week high price of $267.28 a share, but is up about 46.8% from its 52-week low price of $141.29 a share. Agilent Technologies Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange A, has accumulated 2.74% over the course of 1 week. It seems that Agilent Technologies Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange A, might see muted action given an ABR of 2.1 or hold rating. Analysts, on average, seem bullish as they suggest A is worth $3.74 more, giving a target price of $71.85 a share. BA share have rallied by 70.59% in percentage terms since the start of the year and added 1.78% in the last month. Volume in the last session has decreased compared with BA's average trading volume. We think the decreased volume is representative of sellers as it is displayed in many other cases. Agilent Technologies Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange A, major trends on the chart. A stochastic oscillator, %D, is at 74.58%. Values of %D line that are above 80 indicate that the security is overbought, prices could well fall in the near future. And the values below 20, that it is oversold, indicate prices could very well bounce upwards. The stochastic oscillator is a powerful technical tool that is somewhat surprisingly easy to understand. In a basic sense, it is used by technicians to measure the speed or momentum of the price movement. It represents the location of the previous close relative to the price range over a set number of periods. This can be more easily understood, however, by pulling apart the two lines on the stochastic oscillator and explaining the simple underlying mathematical formulas. The first line is called the %K line, which analyzes the actual price movements in the shares and can be defined as %K equals current close, lowest low, highest high, lowest low, 100. The second line, the %D line, is simple a 3-day moving average of the %K line. There are 3 primary ways to read the stochastic oscillator in search of entry points, but traders should follow the %D line closely because that indicates major trends on the chart. Agilent Technologies Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange A, critical levels. Agilent Technologies Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange A.'s latest quote $68.11 minus 56 cents minus 0.21% will find technical support in $67.81 a share, and a breakdown below this region would be a significantly bearish signal for Agilent Technologies Incorporated traders. Any way you dice it, a dip below $67.51 a share would be very bad news for A's technical picture in the near term. The $67.51 level represents at least another 0.88% downside for the stock from its current price. If Agilent Technologies Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange A, shares can stay above the price resistance around $68.37 a share, that could help propel Agilent Technologies Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange A, higher to the next line of resistance at $68.63 a share. The typical day in the last 1 month has seen about a 1.06% volatility. AB is down around 36.98% from its 12-month high of $42.92 notched on December 1, 2016, but is minus 292.42% above its highest point the past 12 months of $267.28 a share.